Introducing the Gordon Murray Automotive T.50, the epitome of automotive engineering and design. In the year 2023, this remarkable masterpiece took the automotive world by storm, setting a new standard for supercars. But what makes this car so special? And why does it come with a staggering price tag of $3 million? Let's delve into the details. At first glance, the T.50 exudes an aura of elegance and performance. Designed by legendary Formula One engineer Gordon Murray, this car represents the pinnacle of automotive innovation. Every curve, every contour serves a purpose, maximizing aerodynamic efficiency while ensuring unparalleled driving dynamics. Under the hood lies the heart of the T.50, a bespoke 3.9-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, developed by renowned engineering firm Cosworth. This powerhouse delivers a staggering 654 horsepower, propelling the T.50 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 226 miles per hour. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed with the driver in mind. Every detail, from the lightweight carbon fiber seats to the ergonomic controls, is meticulously crafted to offer the ultimate driving experience. Advanced technology such as a centrally mounted digital instrument cluster and a bespoke H-pattern manual gearbox further enhance the connection between man and machine. But perhaps the most defining aspect of the T.50 is its exclusivity. With only 100 units planned for production, each meticulously handcrafted at Gordon Murray Automotive's facilities, owning a T.50 is a privilege reserved for the select few. In conclusion, the Gordon Murray Automotive T.50 isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering, design, and craftsmanship. And while its $3 million price tag may seem exorbitant to some, for those fortunate enough to experience its unmatched performance and sheer driving pleasure, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching.